Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dipanjan Bhattacharya and in this video we are going to talk about Snapseed. Snapseed is a free editing software that has millions of downloads in the Play Store and that can literally turn your photo from this to this. This is the first video of this channel, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first option is all about the curves, and here you can see we have a lot of pre-installed settings, and you can apply these settings without knowing anything about curves. And my personal favorite ones are the darken and the faded one, and here in the faded option you can control the fadedness you want in your picture and transform it in a cinematic way. And this is for the first tip, and let's go to the second one. Okay, so here we have a beautiful picture of a red-crested pochard pair, and I want this picture, the whole background of it will be black and white while the birds are in color. So I will go to the tools and then go to the black and white option, and then I will choose any contrasty filter. Let's go to the contrast one and select it, and then we have to go to the layers and view edits. Then we have to choose this brush option here. So as you can see, and then we have to revert it, and by doing this what we will do, let's mask the option, let's mask the portion we want to be colored. So we will just do this, and keep in mind one thing, that this black and white written thing, it has to be 0. So down arrow will make it 0, and then just mask the portion you want to be in color. And you can invest a lot of time with precision here, and I am just doing it to show you guys. So I will do it. By this way. Unfortunately we can't choose any smaller brush here in Snapseed, so we will have this kind of fringes, and we have to adjust with that. So this is it, this is the image, and let's go to the right mark, and that's it, that's the output, that's the thing I want. As you can see, we have this image where the whole part of it will be black and white and the birds are in color. So this is for the second tip, and let's go to the next one. Suppose we have done something wrong while editing and our output looks like this. I have this image of a Siberian stone chat where the subject is looking quite underexposed, and I can't correct it. So I have this option here, layers. I will go to the layers, and here we have this view edits option where we can see all the things we have done till now on the image. So I will go to this tune image option, and then the slider. I will go to the slider. I will correct the brightness here. I will choose around 30 brightness, and I will go to the shadow, and I will increase the shadow on the subject, and it's quite looking good right now, so I will go with that. I will click the right and then the arrow, and this will improve the overall image, and by this way you can correct the wrong things you have done while editing. This is all about the third tip, and let's go to the next one. My next tip to you guys is all about the option selective. Here I have a beautiful image of a Himalayan bird, sultan tit, but the subject don't have that much details, but I need the details in the black color. So I will go to the selective option. I will select the black color. As you can see, I have selected the black color, and I will control the radius. Then I will work on brightness. I will increase the brightness. I will go to the contrast. I will decrease it a bit, and I will go to the structure, then I will increase it. So by this way I think I have done some good job on the subject, the black color I have on this bird. So here, as you can see, the bird is quite looking good right now. These small things in digital photography and any kind of photography nowadays matters a lot, you know that, and by this way you can change your subject and you can affect the image a lot than you think. Okay guys, so this is the last tip I am talking about. Here I have a beautiful image of the northern Himalayas. I have clicked this image in Lat Pancher, and as you can see it is written here, and I want to create the effect that the word Lat Pancher is written on the other side of the mountains. So what I will do, I will go to select and I will go to the layers option, and I will go to view edits and then text, and then this brush option here, and then I will revert it and I will down it to 0, text 0. So I will zoom it and I will remove all the portions of words in front of the mountains to create the effect that the word is written on the other side of the mountain. So I think that's it. So that's the thing, and I will go with that. As you can see, the word is written on the other side of the mountains, and by this way you can create a lot of cinematic backgrounds and cinematic posters you want to create with Snapseed. Well, this is it guys, that's the 5 tips I wanted to talk about, and like, comment and subscribe for more content like this from this channel. Thank you so much.